Responding to the call of statewide human train protest by Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, COCOMI, students, MIRA-PIB members, people from all walks of life took to the street to form human chain and express their discontent over inability of government to handle the violent crisis. Students of Laima Academy, Kongman, Right Step English School, Sekmai, Ramlal Paul Higher Secondary School, Keshamthong, Beetle English School, Nambol, Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School, Porompat, Brighter Star Public School, Loitan Kuno, Sadhar Patel High School, Kurkul, Mariam Montessori King's School, Koirengai, and many other schools in Valley districts joined the protest that was held from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. today. Students chanted various slogans condemning the drone bombing attack on civilians by Kuki militants and also against inaction of central forces against atrocities committed by Kuki militant groups. They also raised slogans against state and central governments for their failure to contain the ongoing violence. Students of Lamlong Higher Secondary School along with locals also took out protests at Imphal East District's Lamlong Kaithel, demanding government to declare Kuki militants as terrorists. They also expressed their dissatisfaction over the inaction of centre and state government amid the ongoing violent crisis.
Kuki militants na bombe attack tawbade gi sokuna leiba masi yaningde huji khoi lek tamada jo aki khang kya nangni agi lekai tarok da han jo aki banangi duna akoi hai sin tamada aki khang nangi basi sarkar exam duna masi bo kohan bio haina hajari.
People in Jiribam district also took out human chain protests condemning the drone bombing attack of Kuki militants. Students, MIRA-PIB members and locals took out protests at Jiribam district's Samu Punbi.
Bharat Sarkar na ngasi phawda mathak te khoi drone siznaraga bombing bhau taraba country maga lan tona bada sinaba adugumba khulai do do yong sinara da lengang na kupila logo singge terrorist ne anu jibo lakhok te base je akhoi gi site gi yamna fiend dabam khokse lai tare aduga makhoi se athuba matamda terrorist ne habigi posam lakhok piu aduga makhoi se moina tawli ba ko se khudak te lekhon biu habigi akhoi na government na appeal tawjari.
People also took out protests by forming human chain at Kumbong Kaithel today as well. Protesters expressed their dissatisfaction over government's failure in tackling the rest of unrest in Manipur.